welcome back to my channel. Today's another one of my one eyeshadow looks. So let's jump into this. I have misplaced my little Wet n Wild single that I have. So I'm just going to take my Tarte Rainforest to the Sea and take this really light shade right here. This is just a base shade. I like using an eyeshadow for this. You could use a setting powder or whatever. The idea is just to have something really close to the same shade as your eyelid because you need to be able to blend. I set my eyelids, otherwise I use an eye primer. You use a concealer or foundation and you try to just go in with a single eyeshadow. Just use one color without any powder underneath. Your eyelids are going to be tacky, so slightly sticky. This technique of using one eyeshadow will be a disaster and you will be mad at me because you have to have some sort of powder to blend on top of, trust me. It doesn't matter if it's Coty Airspun or what I use, which is just a neutral colored eyeshadow color. Doesn't matter, but you gotta have one. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a color, and today I'm going to go with a matte darker color. This is in like a wine brown. It looks like that. So this is called Save to Faves. That's the name of this one. This palette is called Snap Queen. So I'm going to take my number 20 Wayne Goss brush, and this thing of using one shadow to create a look is much easier if you have decent brushes. They do not have to be the super expensive Wayne Goss brushes. They do need to be something that you really can work with. I get these Luxie brushes in my Ipsy bag all the time. Ipsy is $10 a month and they are amazing. You could totally make this work using those. This is just the palette I have with a mirror on it. I'm not using anything in it. Although the Balm would be a great palette to use if you wanted to do a one shadow look because they have really great eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna take that little bit of this color and I'm gonna start going into my crease. Okay, I've cheated me a crease. See, that's not my crease. I have hooded eyes. That's totally not my crease. I made one. I stole one. Right now, this looks really, really harsh. You're going to take a really good blending brush. I'm going to take my Wayne Goss number 16. It looks like this. It's a big fluffy brush. It kind of looks like hell because apparently when I dried it, I did it wrong. And you're just gonna sit here and blend and sort of blend it into the shape you want and just fade it out really, really well. So I've been blending on that for a little bit, significantly less time than if I wasn't using a Wayne Goss brush. They blend like a dream. And now I'm going to go back into that same color and I'm just gonna build up those areas again. Now see how I'm building it up, blending it in, building it up, blending it in. You're just gonna keep repeating that process till you have the buildup of color that you want. I'm going for a nice smoky eye with this, which is kind of weird since I'm only using one color. I haven't done my concealer yet because I didn't know if I was gonna have fallout problems, so I'm gonna conceal real quick and I will be right back. Okay, so for the lower lash line, we're just using that same exact color and I'm just gonna bring it around the edge using my number 20 Wayne Goss brush. Okay, so I'm back and I've got my mascara and eyeliner on. As you can see, I haven't done anything else to my lids, just did the eyeliner and mascara and then, added some lipstick and stuff. I haven't done any highlighter yet, and highlighter is such an important part of this. It's an important part of every look, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take my Luxie double-ended brush and I'm gonna take this nice gold shade right here. I absolutely love this shade. It is just super pretty. I'm just gonna take my blending brush and I'm going to blend up here. And then I'm gonna take the other end and I'm going to take the white, which is called Opal, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I really want that highlight on that inner corner to pop out. I'm gonna take some BH Cosmetics setting spray, get it a little bit damp, and then just go to town and brighten that up on that inner corner. I'm just taking this and I'm just coming right here to this inner corner. And then I'm going to take the blendy brush part and just sort of blend that in a little bit so I don't have any harsh lines or anything right there. That really just pops right out. And that's pretty much it, other than, you know, a little more highlighting here and there. This is the kind of thing that I think is so easy at night when you want to go somewhere or are planning on going to the club and you only have a few minutes or you don't have a lot of makeup with you. Just grab the one dark color in matte in your purse and just blend, blend, blend and create that smoky, dramatic eye. And don't forget to add some eyeliner and some pop-in mascara and you are set. That's my one eyeshadow smoky eye look. Please like, subscribe, and share and let me know below what you think as always. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!